what is a stock market? Stock market is a place for investors to exchange shares or small slivers of ownership in publicly traded companies. Now, it isn't actually a physical place per se, but more an interconnected web of exchangers, buyers, and sellers. And at this point, it generally takes place in the digital realm. Now, you can have small slivers of ownership from the largest, most known companies like Apple and Bank of America, which are frequently among the most traded companies on a day-to-day basis. It means there's a lot of exchanging going on, down to smaller, more obscure companies that trade less frequently. Now, there are as many as 10,000 traded companies listed in the US alone, so there's a lot to choose from. And you've got everything, like I said, from the biggest and baddest like Exxon and Apple down to the smaller, more obscure companies. Now, every slice of ownership is going to entitle you to that certain percentage of earnings that that company makes. So that makes your decision about which shares you want to own very important. So as an investor, you're always trying to buy those shares of those companies that you believe are going to earn much more in the future than they are today, or whose shares are trading very cheaply to what you believe they're earning or what they should be earning. Now, it's a tough game that we investors play every single day, but we here at The Motley Fool are here to help you make that decision and weed out the real winners from that list of 10,000 companies. And it's not an easy job, but we're here to help. So if you're looking for any tips and advice and you'd like to get started identifying some of those shares and slivers of ownership that you want to put in your portfolio today, head over to Fool.com and we'll help you make that decision.